My masterpiece of diverting water is working just fine. One place is dripping, I don't know. This is a broken plastic. This is the broken plastic which I can fix later. This piece here is nicely diverting water as expected. It's going out. It's not touching pallets. Here is water diverted. The waterfall is getting stronger right now. So as I wanted it to be, to test the system here. But some places it still gets through. I just had some coffee time, and these pieces I must take away, they're getting wet. So here is still some work to do. This is a biodegradable plastic which in 2 years just breaking apart by itself, even through just a simple wind, because yeah, it's biodegradable. That's what you get. Here doesn't look, I just saw one drop, I don't know where it came from, but it's nothing compared to the previous waterfalls here. Just in case I protected everything here. So all the water now, as expected, is coming through a new sheet of metal which I put here. I can even leave the wood pieces here because it doesn't touch. The water flows on the lower part of the metal. There are 2 places where the water drops there, so from all the way from behind it coming in front, drops here, and here now I had to find solution with these trays which I bought specially for that thing, that it wouldn't splash all around. So I'm mastering here with available means. I have more of these trays. I bought quite a few different sizes. But here is still a lot of work to do. I need to build here a big wall. Anyway, I need materials which I don't have yet. Wood alone is not good enough. I need to buy metal pieces. They're all available in shops. I know what I need, but they cost money. The money which I don't have. Yeah. The waterfall seems to be getting stronger now, strangely. At midnight should now contrary be finished already, so it's one of these waterfalls. It may last a couple of days or even 3 days. It has happened few times in 2 years. Otherwise all good. The roof system works here. All that. I tested little drops of water here. They're falling front, not going back. And if I will do, I can still lift backside there, further below, behind there. An art of diverting water with the little means I have. Anyway, coffee time again. One remark though, that this waterfall is nothing compared to what I had last time. It was huge, so there may still come some surprises. So just in case, I keep everything covered here, even that corner, and be ready for some bigger leaks later on, some other day maybe. The hand truck is also covered now nicely, because this corner is for sure with big waterfall. Can come in the gap there between the roof and the rock water can come here and splash here around, so this is necessary. But this side I'm quite confident now. I don't even need to remove my shoes and clothes here hanging, because this should be safe now. I even left here everything hanging, because in theory here is now safe enough. It shouldn't get wet, but we'll see in practice what comes out of it. That's the temperature in cave. It's 20 degrees Celsius, even though we had a week of very hot weather and humid. Very hot in Madeira terms, 26-27 degrees Celsius, but in cave on like 20-30 centimeters from ground, it has never gotten higher than 20 degrees Celsius. Very good. That's what I love it here in cave, that summer is cool and winter is warm. I mean, warmer than outside, and summer is cooler than outside.